consequences of having physical intimacy at an early age. These days, we get cases where youngsters have indulged into physical activities at the age of 15, 13, 17, 16. So how do you combat that? And how do you teach a child that what is safe, what is unsafe, what is an age-appropriate behavior, and what are those things which they can be patient and wait for? So few takeaways for all the parents who are struggling with these areas in their kids' life. One is that to ensure that they connect with the psychologist to understand what is an age-appropriate behavior and what are the consequences one will face if they indulge themselves into an early physical or sexual activities. Second is that don't create a fear-based learning for your child, because if you create fear-based learning, the child will become a poor decision maker. Rather, create a consequences-based learning. Consequences is more about that you empower the child, you teach them about the safety and the unsafe aspects of things, rather than just creating a fear that, okay, if you do this, then this will happen, or if you do that, then that will happen. Don't do that. So if you are able to follow these two aspects with your child's development and also focus on their age-appropriate learning, you will see that the kids will not indulge or overindulge into activities which are not necessary. Please be mindful of these things. Please get yourself psychoeducated, because this is becoming a trend now. And if parents are not going to be open about addressing these issues and having candid conversations with their kids, and if they do hush these topics, then obviously you are going to have problems. My good wishes to all. Take care. God bless.